Welcome to the program. Day 3 of the review. We're on number 33. Find the slope, and you're given the coordinates of point 1, which is -5, +5, so that's an x value of -5 and a y value of +5, and another point 2, which has the coordinates 3, 0, meaning x is 3 and y is 0. You can label this to make it easier. You will need this equation, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's label it. This is y2. So if that's y2, this has to be y1. If this is y2, then this must be x2. And if this is y1, then we must say that this is x1. Okay? The x coordinate of the first point, the y coordinate of the first point, and so on. Now, we have them labeled. It's easier to do the equation. We just look at it. This says y2, so I substitute in the value of y2 as 0, minus the y value of the first point, which is 5. Denominator will be 3, the x value, minus, this is x2 minus x1, so I do 3 minus a -5, parentheses, because the equation has negative, and now we have to be careful now of the signs. The numerator is -5. The denominator, these are two negatives next to each other, so it becomes a plus. So this is going to be 8, -5/8. Okay, that is our m. And we look for our choices now. Our choices, it's going to be D. So 33 is D. All right? If you have a question on any of these, pause it, tell me to pause it, and ask me. All right, this is 33. We're going on now. Moving on. This is all review. Remember that. 34. Okay. What is the rate of change in rainfall amounts in Orlando from August to September in 2003? Do not give up on this problem. You have words, you read them, you try to understand what they're asking. You're given a graph, right? So the picture is there. Orlando from August to September. The only thing we need to know is that August to September. So we look for the corresponding parts when we're talking about 6.92 for August, right? And then a lower value of 4.08 in September. All right. Now, we have to think about how many months have gone by from August to September. That's 1 month. So if we want the rate of change in rainfall, we need that slope. So we need the rate. We need to figure out what fraction we're talking about here. And we're talking about inches per month. Right? And so we see in 1 month's time, because we're talking about August to September, in 1 month's time, that's the denominator, what happened? It went down, okay? How do we figure out how much it went down? We got to take the difference. So 6.92 minus 4.08, right? This is mental math now. 2 from 8 doesn't work, so I got to borrow. So this is 12 minus 8 is 4. This is 8 minus 0 is 8. And this is 2.84. So negative 2.84 inches. That's the symbol for inches in 1 month. So we have what? Negative 2.84. Which choice is that? That is choice D. So 34.